Welcome to my Criteo Honest Review. Watch before using. Criteo is an advertising platform primarily designed for e-commerce businesses looking to boost their online sales through retargeting and personalized ads. What sets Criteo apart is its AI-driven technology that helps businesses reach potential customers who've interacted with their products but haven't made a purchase. Criteo's features include dynamic retargeting, personalized display ads, real-time bidding, and the ability to optimize campaigns across multiple devices. The platform uses a vast network of partners, including major websites and mobile apps, to display these ads, ensuring that your products are seen by a targeted audience. Criteo was made for businesses, especially in e-commerce, looking for a powerful tool to increase conversions through personalized ad campaigns. The platform is best suited for mid to large-sized companies that already have an online presence and want to improve their digital marketing strategies. It offers solutions to both B2C and B2B businesses across various industries, including fashion, travel, and electronics. One of Criteo's standout features is its dynamic ads. These automatically update based on the user's previous interactions, meaning your ads are always relevant, which increases the likelihood of conversion. Moreover, the platform integrates well with a variety of e-commerce platforms, including Shopify, Magento, and WooCommerce. The platform's user interface is relatively easy to navigate, but due to its depth, there's a bit of a learning curve. Setting up campaigns and optimizing them can take time, especially for beginners. However, once you get the hang of it, Criteo provides detailed analytics and reporting tools that help you track campaign performance. These insights are invaluable for adjusting bids, identifying high-converting audience segments, and refining your strategies. It also offers a dedicated account manager for premium users, ensuring that campaigns are always running smoothly. On the downside, Criteo's pricing model is not as transparent as some might expect. It's based on a cost-per-click (CPC) structure, which can get expensive, especially if your ads aren't performing as expected. However, if used correctly, Criteo can deliver excellent ROI by driving qualified traffic and improving conversion rates. In conclusion, Criteo is an excellent choice for e-commerce businesses looking to retarget customers with personalized ads. While it can be expensive and has a bit of a learning curve, its powerful features, real-time bidding, and dynamic retargeting make it one of the most effective tools in digital advertising. If you're ready to invest time in learning the platform, Criteo could be a game changer for your business.